Our story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include keyless entry, bucket seats, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2018 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, FWD. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.